Traditional sales coaching has often relied on guesswork, inconsistent feedback, and personal opinions. This lesson shows you how to improve performance using real data from your team's actual meetings. Now, let's explore the coaching section. This is where you'll find practical, data-driven coaching insights. Under verbal performance, you'll see powerful analytics like talk ratio, measuring how much the rep spoke versus how much they listened. Patience, how long reps wait before they reply. Questions asked, how many discovery questions and their quality. Average and longest monologue, help spot over-talking moments. Pro tip, click the little I next to each metric for clear explanations and coaching tips. Let's head over to the meeting section, where your meeting is broken down into 4 parts. The opening, which is building rapport and first impressions. The qualification, where we're asking questions and learning from our customers. Presentation, showing value and explaining the solution. And of course, closing, which is confirming the next steps and securing commitment. Each section shows what actually happened in the stage of the meeting so you can easily see where things went well and where there's room to coach. Now, here are a few key benefits for managers. Spot your top performers using real meeting analysis. Find repeated risks in deals and use them as coaching moments. Track talk-to-listen ratio to boost consultative selling across the team. Benchmark performance across meetings to spot trends and gaps, and to use real call examples to give direct, actionable feedback. Now, here are a few for the sales reps. Review their own meetings to learn and grow. Pick up best practices from top teammates and build confidence over time by seeing progress.